Welcome to Gundam Pro's 23rd Shipment Tower. In this tower, we have 13 model kits consisting of 4 high grades, 3 weapon accessory sets, 2 Figure-Eye Standard, 1 Real Grade, 1 Limex kit, 1 Star Blazers kit, and 1 Pokemon kit. Let's start with high grades. From Universal Century, we have MS-06 Zaku 2 and MS-06S Zaku 2. From Gundam Wing, we have XXXG-01W Wing Gundam. To close out high grades, we have Altesian from Super Robot Wars. In the weapon accessories, we have mass-produced Submachine from 30-minute missions. And option parts set 6, customized heads A. From IBO, we have option set 7. For the Limex kit, we have Triceratops. From Star Blazers 2202, we have UNCFD-1 Dreadnought. For Figure-Eye Standard kits, we have Metal Garurumon and Kamen Rider 000 Totoba Combo. For real grades, we received more Evangelion Unit 03, the Enchanted Shield of Virtue set. And finally, in the Pokemon family, we have Zekrom. Thanks for watching this Shipment Tower video. I'll see you in the next one.